Hey gamers and content creators. Ever wanted to create videos with avatars instead of your face? Today, I'll show you how to import an avatar into a game to enhance your gaming experience. Let's begin. To get an avatar, you have two options. One of them is modelsaber.com, where you can find a collection of avatars created by others. It's actually where I got my first avatar from. Modelsaber.com offers a variety of pre-made avatars that you can easily download and use in your games. I've put the links below for your convenience. The other option is Vroid Studio, a free software that you can download from Steam. This is what my current avatar is made from. Once you create your avatar using Vroid Studio, you can export it, give it any name you like, and make sure to credit yourself as the creator. Vroid Studio provides a user-friendly interface and a variety of customization options to help you bring your avatar to life. Now that you've chosen or created your perfect avatar, the next step is to import it so you can use it in your games or virtual experiences. Depending on the platform or software you use to create your avatar, the import process may vary. Let's walk through the general steps to import your avatar and get it ready for action. VC Face can be downloaded from their official website. Simply scroll down on the main page and click on the latest version to download it. Once downloaded, unzip the file and launch the application. Give it a moment to load and you'll be ready to set up your avatar in VC Face. Once loaded up, click at avatar, then find your VRM and you can add it. You're gonna hit OK. Before you hit start, go over and select your webcam. If you don't see your webcam, you might need to restart your webcam, 30 frames, high quality, and then a microphone and then hit start. It will take a moment to configure where your facial points are located. Let's take a quick look at the settings. In the general settings, one important thing to consider is the auto blink feature, which controls automatic blinking. Some users prefer to turn this on if they wear glasses. Check out the expression settings where you can trigger your hotkeys. I prefer using the numpad for easier access. If you find your avatar in a strange position, you can simply reset its position to bring it back. After that, go to the button down near the corner to make everything transparent, and then if you hit the space bar, it make that small box disappear. When you go to use this in something like OBS, what you're going to do is make a scene and name it if you want. Then, click on the plus sign and select Game Capture instead of Window Capture. Name it if you want, then click OK. Next, you're going to allow transparency and select Capture Specific Window, then in Window Match Priority, select VC Face and click OK. There you go, you can adjust the size and move it anywhere you like. You can find animes on Steam, and it's free to play. Now, go to the left side and click on Avatar. There are various avatars to choose from. Some are free while others require coins for purchase. Currently, I don't have any coins, but you can buy them to access more avatars. There is a good selection of avatars to pick from. If you have your own custom avatar, simply click on Import Avatar, locate the avatar file you have created, select it, and click Open. It will take a moment to import the avatar. A pop-up will appear. Just tick the box "Don't show me this again," and close this pop-up as well. I will show you this later on. It's your choice on the background, but if you want transparency, you have 3 green screen options: a plain one, one with a hot tub, or one with a chair and mic. Scroll down and you will see some different lighting options. You can choose one of these or customize it to your liking. In props, the items are sorted by the categories: hats, headphones, glasses, mustaches, and holdables. Click on a prop to attach it to your avatar. Use the size and axis sliders to adjust the prop to fit perfectly. Customize the prop's colors and textures to make them stand out. If you change your mind and want to remove props, click the No Prop button. When you are satisfied with your customization, click Save to apply your customized props to your avatar. There are scene stickers that you can place anywhere you like. You can adjust the size, rotation, and flip the image. If you decide you don't want it, simply click Remove. There is a voice changer feature with various voice options available. Additionally, an app called Voice Mod for Animes offers a selection of voices. For full access, I'm not sure about the price, so you would need to check on it for accurate information. Next is animations, where you can make your avatar do anything from waving hello to dancing and more. There isn't much in poses, but there are a few animations available in idols. Emotes allow you to drag and drop to add or remove emotes on the slots. Simply click or press the key bind while hovering over the slot to play the emote. There are quick scenes that allow you to save and quickly switch between different avatars, backgrounds, voice effects, and positioning configurations without loading screens. In Animes rooms, you can join your friend's room or host a room and invite your friends. Now it's time to integrate it into a streaming app like OBS. Open OBS and then select Video Capture Device. Choose the Animes virtual camera from the device drop-down list and click OK. Go back to Animes, turn on the broadcast option, and you're all set. To remove the green screen effect, right-click on the video capture device, go to Filters, click on plus in Effect Filters, choose Chroma Key, select green in the key color type, and then close the window. If you see the Animes watermark visible, there are two ways to remove it. You can either adjust the size to crop it out, or consider subscribing for a watermark-free experience. Now you can adjust the size of your avatar. And I think that's it. I'm sorry if I missed anything or if the video seems rushed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, I'll try my best to answer them. Until then, I'll see you next time. Goodbye.